Start from the Inventory module. Click on a product card to focus on its inventory details. As you can see, we have 9 units on stock at the moment. Before we can reorder a product, the product must be purchasable and product type must be storable. Click on the Reordering tab. Let's set up a new reordering rule. Choose the vendor for this product. Minimum quantity acts as a threshold. When a product falls below this level, Odoo will trigger a replenishment action. Max quantity is the desired stock level that Odoo will try to reach when it triggers a replenishment. There are 2 types of triggers. Auto means it will automatically generate a purchase order when it falls below the min quantity. Manual means we need to manually review the replenishment dashboard and decide whether to create a purchase order. Let's change the quantity to see how it works. Click Apply to confirm your updated stock counts. We don't have any orders right now because the minimum quantity is 5. We need to go below the minimum quantity. As you see, the value into order has been updated. To order is the recommended quantity to replenish to reach the desired maximum stock level. Click Order once to instantly trigger a one-time replenishment and keep shelves stocked. This process will be automatic when the trigger is set to auto. It created a purchase order for that vendor. Go to the Purchase dashboard. From here, you can choose if you want to confirm this order or cancel it. That is how you create reordering rules.